Hey guys, it's Wilson here. This is my third attempt making this tutorial, and today, I just said it, we're going to be doing a tutorial. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is going to be a tutorial, and it's going to be a series on how to do HTML programming on web development. Further down the road, we're going to be including CSS, and then possibly JavaScript. Of course, myself, I actually have no clue on anything to do with JavaScript. I am currently attempting to learn it all. So yeah. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a folder. It's called website or whatever. I really don't care. You could call it monkeys. You can call it turtle sex. It doesn't matter. Just make a folder and just remember that that will be your website folder. Then you're going to want to need a text editor. I have a lot of text editors. I don't even know. I have Notepad, which everyone has. If you have Windows, I don't even know, maybe Mac probably has it. You have Notepad right there. I'm not going to use that because it takes a long time to load up. Sublime Text, personally my favorite in this current period of time. Notepad and brackets. These are all HTML editors. I definitely, little star thing, correct yourself. I definitely recommend all three of these. They're amazing. Personally, I like these two more than this one. Like, just until a couple of days ago, I used to love that one, but then I used these a bit more, and now I find that they're amazing. Anyway, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open your preferred text editor. I'm opening up Sublime 2, or Sublime Text 2. This is what you're going to write. Just copy down everything I write. I'm going to go silent for a second, make sure everything's correct. Once I've written it all down and all that, then, then I'll tell you what it's all about and why I wrote such and such. So, copy this all down. Keep in mind that if you can't see, it's probably because you're not watching in HD. So, yeah. Watch it now in HD. I'm gonna go silent now. Also, really quickly, if you're wondering how I just did that little space that was like 4 spaces, I believe it was, that is tab. There, just a tab. So that's cool. Also notice how I'm making tags here, that being opening tag, closing tag. HTML is basically based off or made specifically out of tags. And then write hello world. I'm gonna give it a sexy little heading. Oh, welcome to my website. Alright, so once you've done this, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna wait, let me actually check this, because on my last attempt just there I messed up so hard and I looked like an absolute twat. So okay, so that's all correct, and once you've done that, I'm gonna give you a little 5 seconds there. Okay, that was a quick little 5 seconds. You're gonna save it, and you are going to want to save it into your folder. So I named mine, right, as you could see, the YouTube website thing. I named it that. You're gonna save it into there. I told you at the start of the video to do that. And then you are going, this is a must, I don't care what you made your folder name, but you have to make, well, you don't have to, but I highly recommend that you make this file index.html. Now, I recommend that you make it index. You can make it whatever you want, you can have it like bananas or whatever, but the .html is a must. Whatever is before the dot, doesn't matter, you can make it whatever you want. I recommend index, but whatever you want. So once you save that, depending on what text editor you have, such as myself, I have Sublime Text 2. All my text is now highlighted in a nice little blue. And the reason this is because it is now, that file is now registered as a HTML document. And due to my text editor, it now highlights little bits of information. Thus, I got Sublime Text because it helps you out a bit. Actually have a couple little themes and stuff. Anyway, now I'm going to quickly explain where everything is while I open up actually a website. So if we go right here, open up that from the YouTube, and then in that file, in that folder, sorry, and then this is the website that we have just created. Once it loads up, boop, boop, boop. Check the time on my phone. An hour's already passed. Anyway, so this bit up here, this bit is telling the browser that we're working with HTML5. Now, up to this period in time, what we've learned so far is not HTML5. All this is just, in fact, like raw HTML, like, I don't know, 1. So don't bother. Like, you should have this there for when we get into HTML5, but that doesn't really matter too much. Then here, this one here, the opening tag of HTML and the closing tag of HTML, that basically represents your page. Whatever is inside that little these two tags is your entire HTML page. Your head being this part up here of your browser, and then the title being right here. So the head up here, and we edited this bit up here to be my website. The body being this huge white space over here, that, and then this bit here is the header. Sorry, the head. Right? It's the heading. Yeah, the heading. So that's H1 being the biggest heading you can have in HTML. P for paragraph, right there. So anyway, that's gonna conclude our first HTML programming video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace.